Hey, tired of complex editing and camera shyness blocking your passive income? This is your solution. Faceless.video is the AI tool that automates your entire channel. It writes, edits, and posts videos for you. Truly hands-off. Not only that, but it intelligently publishes your content at peak hours, which means your videos get high visibility. This directly results in hundreds of thousands of views and in return drives consistent passive income. The question is, how do you start? So in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through the steps that you have to take to create your account and then linking your social media accounts and setting up this AI tool to be doing everything, lifting the heavyweight for you when you're sleeping and bringing you endless streams of passive income. Let's take a ride in. So to get kick-started, for you to land on this page, click the link in the description section and you will find yourself here. So what you do, all you have to do is you click free trial and then you punch in your credentials here, punch in your email address, then repeat it here and then create a password. And after you're done, you check in here where it is I agree and you check in the second box as well, then you hit sign up. Okay, so now let me fill in the email address and then fill it in here and create the password when you're not looking. All right, so once you are in, after punching in all the credentials, this is what you're gonna see. We'd love to hear from you. Welcome to Faceless. We're so glad that you are here. Help us improve your experience by telling us why you found us. So here, you simply click, after indicating that you watched the video or you heard about Faceless.ai on YouTube, you can now punch in at and then you type in that the income pathways. That's the YouTube handle for my channel, and then you submit. You wait for a little while for submission to be successful and boom. So after you submit the details, this will load up. The next thing that you need to do is you choose the kind of content that you want this AI to be posting onto your channel, onto your TikTok account, onto your Instagram account, your Facebook account. So here we go. We can go by Veo, we can go by Sora, or we can go by AI stories, right? So if you go by AI stories, you can actually choose motivational stories, fun facts, scary stories, or relationship drama, whatever you feel like picking from here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go by a relationship drama, and then I'm gonna customize the background. So I will need to choose from these two options. So say AI custom background. So when you go by the first option, what you are implying is AI should actually be selecting the background for you. It should be changing the background for you. Okay, if you want it to be posting, video games and the like, you go by the second option. Let's go with the first background. So we select it, yeah, then we swipe up and say select your fonts. You can select multiple fonts to be used in your series. Okay, so we can actually click here so as to check out. So we can go with the default setting, right? Then we select the handwriting. I'm gonna go by this one here. Or if you want, we can actually leave the default handwriting. We move on, we say preview your series. These are the series which are going to be okay. So from that you move to this section where you need to choose the voice. So you can click here. Do you want the okay, so you check, this is the preview. So that's how the videos will actually be coming out. And then we can choose the voice. Is it French, Portuguese, German, Italian, Hindi, Russian? Which is, so I'm gonna go by English US, and then I will need to pick a voice from these three. So in free mode, since you're just giving it a shot, you can pick any of these voice. You can actually try them out. Let me click the first one from Matthew.
Hi there, my name is Matthew and this is my speaking voice.
Okay, so let's go by. So after successfully connecting your account to Faceless AI, you'll definitely be prompted to go buy any of these three plans. So for the first plan, you pay $15 per month, and trust you me, you earn much more than what you're going to spend. This includes, for the first package, AI will actually create content for you. It will be auto posting to your channel, your account, and it will actually be editing your videos in advance. For this package, it will be posting three videos per week, and it will be in HD resolution. For the second package, AI will definitely be creating content for you. It will be auto posting to your channel account, and it will be editing your videos in advance, and it will be posting 7 videos per week. And you'll be offered priority support. If you need to find out anything from the team, you can reach out to them and they will definitely respond. And all the videos will be in HD resolution. And for the third package, AI will auto post twice per day. So what this includes: content creation, auto posting to your channel. It will also be downloading video files. It will also be editing posts in advance, and it will be dropping 14 videos per week. All the videos will be in HD resolution. So this is it. All you have to do is click the link in the description section and set up everything.